Hey, Wheezy on the check-in. This is part of my intermediate mobility series. Here we have a log roll. We're starting off in a supine position, kind of in a hollow body hold with our arms overhead and our feet raised up as well. And we're rolling onto our side, then onto into a prone position with our arms raised, kind of in a arched back position or a Superman position. Our arms are still going to be raised off the floor as well as our feet, and we're completing this. We're doing this about 6 reps on each side. Like I said earlier, this is a great exercise for the core because you're not using your hands or your feet to roll. You're just using you're kind of contracting your abdominals as well as the muscles in your back and your glutes to roll your body each way. Doing this exercise, you'll notice that you might have some weaknesses on one side of the body, like it may be easier to roll to one side. If you're having trouble rolling, you kind of use your arm a little bit or a little bit of momentum to kind of push yourself, like you kind of see me doing there. It's a little harder for me to roll, I'm guessing, to my left side, or when I get on my stomach, it's harder for me to roll. But try this one out, man. This is definitely a tough one. It's great for the core. You'll feel it a lot. And it'll definitely point out some imbalances you have in your core as well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.